What's good, catch and cats? We're back at it again. Did it last night. At it again tonight. What really sucks is it's raining. We've already caught 2 good fish. 14 and what was the other one?
14 and a
17.
17, yeah.
That's it. Hunter's back here re-rigging. He got tangled up in the one. But, yeah, we're already casted, waiting. Hopefully we get something good again on video for you guys. You got a couple pictures of his and mine, so, but we'll see what happens.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's another one. It's number 3 tonight.
It's on fire, boys!
Ooh, he's a good one.
Yeah, he's good. Hang on. Now, where's the grippers?
Up there on there.
Nope. Gosh dang.
It's a good one, guys.
That one was taking off like a bandit.
Oh, cool.
Golly. What a night. What a night already. Everything.
3 already packed.
3, and they're all massive hits. Wasn't little pecker gnats, they're massive hits.
God, where is he? He's over here on this side. Do me a favor, pick this pole up.
Right here.
Wasn't 35 tonight. Oh no. What do you think, 30?
Let's see. Oh, dude, he's over 20. He's definitely over 20. Look at the belly on him. He's been eating good. He's definitely eating. I think he stinks.
Yeah, dude, them bigger ones stink for some reason.
You have to kind of hold him up higher for the camera.
There he is, guys. Big old blue.
Golly.
He does stink.
Smelling?
Yeah. Oh.
I'll get that out of the way.
Well, guys, here we are again at it. This time, got the camera on.
Caught that one
Yeah.
on camera.
Big old boy.
That is a big boy.
Yeah, he is. Let's wait.
Yep, let's do it. You got the scale on you?
Yeah. Golly.
Yeah, he's over 20. Every bit.
Whew. Non-stop action. I was watching the outside pool. Golly, he's sneaky.
Bad, dude. I'll bang my flash.
Yeah.
Ruin the picture.
Oh, there.
Yeah.
20-pound blue.
Daggone, bud.
Big old stinky boy.
Yeah, look at that belly on him.
Yeah.
I mean, he's eating good.
Yeah, he is.
Beautiful.
Oh, guys, there we go. Number 3, right?
Yeah, number 3.
Oh, massive blues, too, so far.
All good. Studs, dude. Okay.
Oh!
Gosh, dang.
You got his fins are dull.
That's a good one right there. Stud. Is it? Oh, he's blind in one eye.
Yeah.
Dang, he stink. Bad. Ugh.
Well, guys, we're gonna bring some more fun tonight. I hope so.
Oh, it already started off good.
Yes, we did.
Fucking vapes in my hand.
I got you. I'm coming out. I hit the wrong button on the fucking camera.
Damn.
Wait, sit there so you came home.
Oh, he's coming back.
So I'm getting your line. Alright, shark, damn it.
You know what'd been funny? If that would have went down with the tuna standing there, he'd have freaked out.
Ah!
What the heck?
Why are these guys running after me? Probably been out there trying to fight us.
Oh, yeah, you ain't getting probably would have.
Say 10.
Yeah, I'd say, yeah, 8 to 10 range. That recording? Got another one. They are on fire tonight. They won't let us break. Nice little blue. There you go, little foot. Thank you for your time.
Come back again.
Easy.
Don't lose your jaws.
Deep you go.
That's number 4, guys. Number 4.
Where's the hook? Oh, here it is. Jeez, so Pete, tell you what.
He's over here trying to eat his chips.
Trying to eat my chips. I can't even eat nothing. You won't leave us alone.
Good though.
That's a good thing. I want to eat a couple more before I catch that out. A little blue patch slime in my mouth.
Got him.
Yep.
Yeah, guys. Hunter got another one. Grippers. Keep coming in hot. Not playing this game. Open your damn mouth.
Oh, he's playing ring around the roses.
What? Another 10. Oh, hey now. I'm a rock star. Get points on your head. I love that little trick I found.
Yeah, that's sharp.
Pop it. And they need over your mouth. Let go.
There it goes.
You can have the bait.
Yep, I think now.
You can have
you, buddy. 3 mil, that's for biting it.
Nice for participation. Or participating. Turn your light on.
Oh, yeah. A little bright. What number is this? I don't even remember. 5?
Yeah, because we caught 2 off camera, 1 on camera. You missed that one. No?
Not a bad little guy. Yeah. You got him. Oh! He'll swim out of it, just wait. You come out of it? Yeah. Still on? Yeah. Let me get these.
God dang.
Oh my! Get it. They don't get no better than that.
Oh!
Oh,
Got that one on there.
I know. Somebody came untangled. I can still out a little bit.
Dude, I seen that rod going as you're like, oh, we'll go get that. I'm like, hold on, don't go! No, hold on, man, you gotta get me on this one.
I was about to go get the grabber and use it. Oh, well, I turn around and you're double fisting it.
Oh, I love it.
Oh, that was a cool fish.
Damn.
Golly. You know, buddy.
Well, guys, I doubled up.
Here, I got one too.
Got a nice, nice blue, nice blue channel.
Back to back.
Doubled up.
That's gonna be some good footage now.
Yeah, it is. He's a good one.
Yeah.
That one, I don't care about that one. That's a better one.
That's a big boy.
Yeah, that's what we were after.
Blue cat. You on?
Hunter. There, boys and girls, we doubled up again. One right there, and Hunter's drilling one in now. I got him. I know. He won't put...
Oh, you little... Come on, buddy. No, it wasn't your fault. I'm fixing it. Ow! What? What a daggum knife.
I had to go get my fish for me, and he got one.
Back to back.
Look at that. This is bigger though.
Yep.
Okay.
Where we at? Ow!
There's mine, and there's Hunter's.
Not bad, back to back action, bud.
Hello.
That's awesome.
Hey, we can't keep anything in the water. It's non-stop action. Yeah. And of course, it's raining, so the camera's back up under stuff. You can't tell. Soaked. Everything's wet.
Everything's wet.
It's worth it.
It is absolutely worth it.
Fish on. Fish on. Yeah.
How big is it? Small?
Yeah, I can't tell. Good Lord, dude. This is a big old camera rat. Big old camera rat.
Big camera up?
Look at that sucker.
Oh, yeah. What a stud.
You ain't kidding. Well, guys, Hummer's up there getting bait. Got a nice channel. Oh, look at it. There we go. Let me see this. Make sure everything's recording. Yep. Yeah, nice little big old channel rat. It's a fun night. Nice big old channel. Good eater too. Hey, fish on!
God damn. On yours?
Yeah. He's big.
No.
What? What? I lost it.
There you go.
He popped off. Fucking stupid clicker. Eagle Peak, non-stop. Another channel rat. Oh, woo. Oh, I'll make up for that big one I lost. Oh. There's another channel rat. Channel rat back to back.
No way.
Yep. I just got in the thing and I was just sitting there chilling. I seen your pole get hit, and I'm like, oh, it ain't nothing. And then all of a sudden, dude, it folded over, and I'm like, oh crap! So I hurry up to get it. Got that. And then right when I was going to throw that channel rat back, my pole gets hit. So I hurry up through that channel, put your pole down, and then got that one. So yeah.
I got nothing but bluegill over there, dude. Every cast, bluegill.
Good. Oh, man.
Give it a couple of 30 minutes or so and try to get more bait. You ain't kidding, I love it. Man, we're running out quick.
Can't keep up over here.
Yeah.
I'm slow over here kicking myself in the ass and losing that big one.
Well, the good thing is he's still out there. And he's liable to hit it again.
Yeah, dude, look, that's all I did. I threw it like that, and I set it down, and I tightened the thing, and it went, and I'm like, no way!
Wow.
I was like, seriously, that fast? That clicker's a pain in the butt to turn on? I ain't turning it on right now. He's bigger than that, dang.
Boy, you smoked that thing?
Yep, that's what I thought. Thought he's bigger than that, but. I got two here. Oh boy.
That ain't bad. I'll show you how to do it. My phone's still in there, of course. Laying on the dirt. I was videotaping. Just the sound of the waves and everything. And he was showing our footholds, like Dad said. And then I
Peter, Peter, can you keep the thing cold in there? Yeah. Hey, Isaac. Since I casted back out, this would be the second hit I've had. Dude, I can't keep these damn poles in water. Dude, as soon as I throw them in, they go down. It's not flat. And look. Really. Oh, guys, here's another good one. Big old blue. I'm about to weigh him. He's a good one. He hit that thing so hard. I was over there trying to reel my other pole in to check my bait, and this hole just went gone. There's non-stop. Woo. $17.7.
Big. You can't keep them in the water, dude. Oh, he looks like a big one. Like clockwork.
Stop. Oh, guys, there's another one.
Where's that white light?
It's dead.
Oh shit. Well, here I'll be the white light. That's a stud there.
Oh, might have had to take it down on there until the camera died, but here's the blue. That's 18.
18 pound. Pulse.
Oh, yeah. Put a good fight up.
Yeah, he did. What's that? No, that's number 15, right?
Yeah.
There he goes. Probably 10.
I like it.
Oh my gosh.
I tell you guys, it's non-stop with us tonight.
Gee. Dude, I'm dying. Another blue. Oh, wait. Another daggum blue. Nope. He is. He got a big old belly. Oh, he's so good. Jeez, oh Pete.
Ow, he bit me.
This is something out of a movie, alright? Something out of a movie. Oh yeah, we don't have the white light, do we? Is it dead? Here's what I'll do. There we go. Where are you at? There we go.
Yeah.
I mean, back to back, you guys seen it. Unbelievable. This is how it's been all night. All night. He is. That's every bit at 8, 10. Jeez, Pete. Unreal. What a frickin' hoss. We ain't weighed him yet. We're about to find out. But I know he's over 20. Gotta be. What a hoss. You ain't kidding, dude. Nothing but slabs. Nothing but slabs. That might be the biggest one tonight. What? 18? See if it'll pick it up. No, it won't pick it up. 18.28. He did. 100%. Absolute slob. He's a beautiful fish. It has been non-stop. He's feisty. Look at that chunk. That's right, boy. Alright, see who's next. Now what you little payload? Get him, Joe. You got him. Yeah, I'm standing in front of it. Yeah, there you go. It is. It's so nice to go. Need these. And a cat.
Here you go, guys. Channel wrap. Finally.
Oh, here.
Oh, you're good. There's channel wrap.
Hey, don't fall.
Yeah. You're good.
Nice channel cat. It is.
Bye-bye. Goodbye. Skadoosh. Oh, forgot to put the damn audio back on again. One thing I hate about this stupid camera. Damn audio.
Damn. He got me soaked.
See, right before this one, we just caught a, what, 19?
Yeah.
Now we got this one.
Nice little guy.
It's non-stop tonight with these guys.
Non-stop.
That's a good night for us.
Let's do that again.
What? Middle one?
Now it's stuck.
Because you got it on
There
there.
it goes.
$15?
Yeah.
Really? I was guessing on that one. You sure we ain't catching the same fish? It seems like it.
Yep, 15.
I feel like we're catching the same fish.
Probably
over
are.
and over.
Son of a bitch.
I was going to get a new jacket and battery for the camera.
There he is.
15 pounder.
Another one down. Another one bite the dust.
Anything happen?
I know, and it's about 10 pounds. Wouldn't that be something? I got nothing legs to me.
Okay, there's another one. Nice 12 pounder. Nice big old blue. Put it back in. Oh, look at that one.
Another two.
The non-stop all night long. Well, guys, that'll do it. Everything on we got is done. It's late. It's about 2. We're gonna call it. You know, hopefully you guys liked our video. We caught a lot of good fish tonight. I want to give a big shout out to Jack's Bait and Tackle Brazil. Anything you guys need, hit him up. He's got everything you can think of. Remember, keep catching cats.